Your electrical panel could make or break your HVAC installation, but it's going to be one of the first things we look at. We're going to come out, we're going to give you an estimate. A part of that is we're going to take a look at your electrical panel. We're going to take a look at other appliances that you might have in the house. We're going to see what your dryer, if that's gas or electric. We're going to take a look at your hot water. We're going to look at your stove. All these various different things can be part of the factor in whether or not you need to upgrade your electrical system. The other thing is we have some really great items that we put in for customers that can actually avoid service upgrades. These items we call load shed devices. So what they'll actually do is they might shut off your dryer while your air conditioning runs, and then once your air conditioning satisfies, turn your dryer back on. These are great ways and simple ways and affordable solutions to avoid possible large upgrades. Hey guys, we've taken the guess out of pricing. We give you upfront pricing right on our website. Click on the link below to see.